Hello again. Today I'm going to be doing a ratatouille. I'm going to start out by, this is the base of it. So we're mixing in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or avocado oil is what I'm using right here. You can use pretty much any oil. Recommend something that doesn't have a heck of a lot of too much flavor to it. This is a balsamic glaze, but it's serving as balsamic vinegar. So it's, but it's 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and next we have half a cup of, this is a vegetable broth. Half a cup of tomato sauce. And then this is a cup of diced tomatoes. And the rest that we're going to be putting in is all seasonings. So now with my garlic, I like to get the packaged garlic that you get from that's already peeled. I'm saying his friends don't let friends peel garlic. I can't stand peeling garlic because it gets all sticky. But this is a full head of garlic because they come packaged by heads. So normally you'd use about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. I really like garlic. It already has plenty of salt, so I'm not adding any. I will add some pepper in. That's good. And then these are some fresh seasonings. So this is rosemary. So I'm adding a sprig of rosemary. This is a seasoning blend that I got, and these all came in it, and they were out of some of the seasonings that I wanted. So you're at the store. I will be doing more seasoning towards the end, but this is for now. We're just doing this part. Not use that one. But the other ones in here are parsley and thyme. I prefer to use fresh. So this is a parsley. So leaves off of that. And I want to do a little more parsley here. And then we'll get a little bit of thyme. That should do it. Generally, you season towards the end because that's how you get the flavor. But this is just the base of it right now. So throw some off of this. mix that up. Give it a taste and see how we're going. Okay. It's gonna be in the crock pot, so pretty much it's set it and forget it. So, see, we did the sauce already. I'm gonna go ahead and do the spiral. So this is kind of a purple. You can't really tell from the color now because it's turned kind of black. But or at least it looks black in this light, but I'm just spiralizing them in the crock pot. You're not going to be able to see this. I'm combining them. So this is eggplant, tomato, and yellow squash in the bottom. I think I ran out of zucchini because I had them all. Yeah, I did. Yellow squash. And not all of the tomatoes or eggplant got full. So I will be switching over to okay, now I'm going to go towards do just one of each. So starting off with the tomato, eggplant, yellow squash, and tomato is probably going to fill out that, but I'm going to use the rest of this and keep layering on top. And this is a almost lost this yellow squash. This is all of these vegetables are water soluble, so they're going to have a lot of water, and so it will look more as it cooks. The water level will raise. Since this seems more like a soup than a vegetable medley, but it's actually a vegetable medley. But this batch is really going to be tomato heavy. I'm going to start adding in the orange pepper. I'm using orange for Halloween. Okay, now I'm going to add in, the tomatoes are out, so we'll add in the cauliflower. Your amount of rings or your strips, or whatever you have, should match the amount of cauliflower. So I'm just sticking them inside the rings. If you're cooking on high, it should be 3 hours before it's done. If you're cooking on low, it's about 5 to 7. Add a little basil in. And cooked down quite a lot now, so it's no longer hitting the top of the lid. So turned out really good. So if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.